What's up, everybody? Today we're breaking down how the 5 richest people in America made their billions. Ever wonder how someone gets that rich? Is it luck, genius, or something else? We'll dissect their journeys, from first ideas to empire-building decisions. These are the masterminds behind the tech you use, the sites you shop on, and even rockets to space. Get ready as we count down from number 5 to the richest person in America. Let's dive in. Number 5 is Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. He didn't invent tech, he mastered investing, starting at age 11. Buffett's secret: value investing, finding great companies undervalued by the market. He built Berkshire Hathaway, transforming it from a failing textile business into a powerhouse owning companies like Geico and Dairy Queen. Instead of chasing trends, he bought and held, letting profits snowball. Despite his fortune, Buffett lives simply. Same house since 1958, McDonald's for breakfast. He proves you don't need to invent the next big thing. Smart, patient decisions can build a fortune. The lesson: slow and steady, deep understanding, and discipline can win the race. That's why Buffett is our number 5 billionaire. He's a master of the long game. His story is proof that you can build billions by being smart, not flashy. Let's move to number 4. Number 4 is Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle. He saw the future in database software, giant digital filing cabinets for corporations. While others built computers, Ellison built the software that runs the world's information. Ruthlessly competitive, he dominated the market and built a near monopoly. Unlike Buffett, Ellison lives large: yachts, jets, even his own Hawaiian island. He turned a boring business into a money machine. Sometimes the biggest fortunes come from seeing value where others don't. On to number 3. Number 3 is Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft. Gates dropped out of Harvard to put a computer on every desk and in every home. Microsoft's big break licensing MS-DOS to IBM, then to every PC maker. As the PC market exploded, Microsoft collected a fee from nearly every computer sold. Windows 95 made Gates a household name and Microsoft a tech empire. Gates later shifted focus to philanthropy, tackling global health and poverty. He went from tech titan to one of the world's greatest givers. Gates' story is about vision, execution, and using wealth for good. He changed how we live and work. Next up, the man who changed how we shop. Number 2 is Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. In 1994, he left Wall Street to sell books online, then everything else. Early Amazon focused on growth, not profits, reinvesting every dollar. Critics doubted him, but Bezos obsessed over customer experience and scale. Amazon became the everything store, changing global shopping forever. The real game changer? Amazon Web Services, renting out computing power to other companies. AWS became a massive profit engine, powering much of the internet. Bezos' day one philosophy: always innovate, never get comfortable. Relentless focus and long-term thinking built one of history's most valuable companies. From garage startup to global giant, Bezos redefined retail and tech. His story is about vision, risk, and relentless execution. Now the richest of them all. Number 1 is Elon Musk, the real-life Tony Stark. Musk started with Zip2, then PayPal, cashing out with millions. Instead of retiring, he bet it all on 2 wild ideas: SpaceX and Tesla. Both nearly failed, but Musk pushed through. SpaceX launched rockets, Tesla built electric cars. Today, Tesla is the world's most valuable car company. SpaceX leads in private spaceflight. Musk didn't stop. He founded the Boring Company and Neuralink, always chasing the next frontier. His wealth comes from massive stakes in these revolutionary companies. Musk's story is about risking everything for world-changing ideas. He's relentless, controversial, and always pushing boundaries. From Mars missions to brain-computer tech, Musk is shaping the future. He's the wildest entrepreneur of our time. His journey is proof that audacity and vision can change the world. That's our top 5. But who's next? And there you have it, the wild stories behind America's 5 richest people. From Buffett's patience to Musk's audacity, there's no single path to massive success. They saw opportunities, took risks, and changed the world. Which billionaire story inspired you most? Who will be next on this list? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. See you in the next one.